Hey everybody, welcome to episode 21 of the Terms, Tips, and Tricks. My name is Chris Whitehurst. In each of these episodes, I take a term or a concept from the world of real estate and try to explain it to you in a way that I hope is easily understood. Today, we're going to be talking about the topic of wire fraud. With the amount of money that is exchanged in a real estate transaction, it's really important to be cautious and vigilant about wire fraud. When large sums of money are transferred at closing, this is normally done through a wire transfer, which is electronically moving funds through a system of banks and financial institutions. This is done with your bank account and routing numbers. Because of the amount of money that's being moved around, unscrupulous characters may try to intercept the wire by impersonating someone associated with the transaction. They may even go as far as creating a fictitious email using a familiar email signature, photo, and tagline. Sometimes it's something as simple as an email the day of closing that says wiring instructions have changed, please have the money sent here instead, have caused people to lose their home and their payoff. By the time it's realized, the money is gone and offshore and there's not much that can be done about it. The good news is you have a team of professionals with your agent, the lawyers, and the financial institutions to help make sure you don't get taken advantage of. If you ever see an email or a message that mentions wiring instructions, it's best to clarify and verify in person or on phone or with a phone number that you know is correct. A simple call could literally save you hundreds of thousands of dollars. If you like these videos, there's more of them on my YouTube and Facebook page. I've also got a great info on the website at chriswhitehurst.com. Be sure to subscribe on YouTube and like me on Facebook. And as always, please share with your friends. My name is Chris Whitehurst. Got great content coming soon. Welcome home.